Hello students, previous session we learned about the diseases, that is one of the type of disease, communicable diseases, and how this communicable disease spread. We had gone through the two ways of the spread of the communicable disease, that is direct contact and indirect contact. मतलब communicable diseases किस तरह से फैलते हैं, that is through it can spread through direct contact also and indirect contact also. Now in today's session we will discuss about the prevention of communicable diseases. That means how we can prevent of getting suffered from this type of communicable diseases. So to get to know about these things, first we will go through the content. So take out your textbook, open the chapter food and health and open the page number 242. Let's read the content.
Prevention of communicable diseases. Prevention is always better than cure. We should try to prevent these diseases by cultivating the following habits. First, we should wash freshly purchased fruits and vegetables by clean water to remove germs and microbes. Second, we should use clean drinking water. We can boil impure water for 10 to 15 minutes to make it clean and can then store it in clean bottles. Third, we should keep our environment clean. For example, dustbins should be covered. Fourth, we should wash our hands before and after taking meals or after coming in contact with an infected person's articles. Fifth, milk should be heated at a high temperature to kill its germs. This is called pasteurization. And the last, vaccination is another way to protect ourselves from diseases like diphtheria, tuberculosis, polio, etc. Pulse polio immunization campaign is conducted regularly by the Government of India to eradicate polio from our country.
Now let us see what are the ways to prevent ourselves from communicable diseases. So have a look at this slide and understand the ways to protect ourselves from the communicable diseases.
Prevention of communicable diseases. What are the methods for the prevention of communicable diseases? Let's take a look on these preventions. We should make efforts to prevent the breeding of germs. Destruction of mosquitoes and the breeding balls is the best solution for protection from these dreadful diseases. What are the methods for preventions? Yes, the first method is cleaning house. We should keep the house clean. Second is houses should be airy and open. Fresh air and sunlight are the lateral disinfectants. Okay? The third one is a supply of clean and germ-free water for drinking and cooking is essential for health. Pure water should be boiled for about 10 to 15 minutes and then stored in a clean and covered container. And germs in a milk are killed by pasteurization. Now what is meant by pasteurization? It means heating milk at a high temperature and cooling it to kill the harmful germs like bacteria. The next is cleaning the toilets and bathrooms. Toilets and bathrooms must be cleaned and disinfected regularly. Next is to stop the breeding of mosquitoes. Water must not be allowed to stagnate. Use a mosquito net or a mosquito repellent at night. And the last is vaccination. Vaccination is another way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. There are vaccinations available for the diseases like diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles, mumps, and hepatitis. One more disease, pulse polio. Pulse polio is the immunization campaign established by the Committee of India to eradicate the polio by vaccination. Hence, we must keep ourselves vaccinated as a protection against the diseases. There are national programs to eradicate communicable diseases also. So to protect yourself and our surrounding, we must stay healthy.
Okay students, now you got to know the ways for the prevention of communicable diseases, or what are the methods, or what are the principles or ways to keep ourselves protected from getting infected with the communicable diseases. So in the slide you have come across three types of terms, that is pasteurization, vaccination and immunization. Already I had given explanation through the slide. Once again just recall what is meant by pasteurization. Pasteurization. How will you pronounce it? Pasteurization. What is this pasteurization? Pasteurization means the process of heating milk. Okay. Milk is heated at a high temperature. So what is heated? Milk will be heated at a high temperature. Why? To kill its germs. Okay. Heating milk, दूध का गर्म करना at a high temperature, मतलब दूध का इतना देर तक गर्म करना कि जिससे दूध के अंदर मौजूद जरासीम मतलब कि जर्म्स, कीटाणु खत्म हो जाए, मर जाए. Okay, that process is called pasteurization. Okay, so we have to heat the milk at a high temperature, that means for a long time. So that process is called pasteurization. All right, there is one more term, that is called vaccination. What is the vaccination? It is a type of medicine. Vaccination, it is a process. What is vaccine? Vaccine is a type of medicine that will be given for us to help to protect our body against the diseases. So हमारी body को आने वाली अनेक बीमारियों से बचाने के लिए, हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रेंथ और इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए जो मेडिसिन हमको इंजेक्ट किया जाता है, वो मेडिसिन को हम वैक्सीन कहते हैं और उस प्रोसेस को वैक्सीनेशन कहते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज वैक्सीनेशन? इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ मेडिसिन गिवन फॉर आवरसेल्फ टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड हेल्प आवर बॉडी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट डिसीजेस. ओके, and whereas immunization, what is immunization? It is a way to create immunity. Immunity means strength. Okay, strength of our body will be considered as immunity. So it is a immunity to create immunity to protect ourselves from diseases. See, what we will inject in the vaccination? We will inject immunity related medicines. Okay, the medicines which increases our immunity, which increases our strength. Okay, that medicine will be considered as vaccine, and the process is called as vaccination. What is done in vaccination? Immunization will be done through vaccination. These two are related to each other. So हमारा immune system, body का immune system किस तरह से बढ़ाया जा सकता है? By taking vaccine medicines. Okay, vaccine or vaccination process. Clear? So these are the three terms that you need to clearly understand. Pasteurization is a process of heating milk at a high temperature to kill its germs. Whereas vaccination, it is a process in which some medicines will be given for our body to protect and fight against the diseases. And what will happen if we are taking vaccination? We will get our body will get the immunity, and that process is called as immunization. So hope you have clearly understood about these terms, and this is all about the preventing ourselves from communicable diseases. In next session we will discuss about the non-communicable diseases and also deficiency diseases. Okay, thank you.